Welcome to Understanding Muscle Growth Part 3. Today, let's explore the intricate mechanisms of mechanical tension in muscle growth. Mechanical tension. Muscle tissue is highly responsive to mechanical stimuli, and mechanical tension plays a pivotal role in triggering the adaptive processes that lead to muscle hypertrophy. When you perform resistance exercises such as weightlifting, the muscles experience tension as they contract against an external resistance. This tension generates mechanical forces that are transmitted through the muscle fibers, resulting in a series of biomechanical and biochemical events within the muscle cells. A. Biomechanical responses. 1. Sarcomere lengthening. Within each muscle fiber are myofibrils, which contain repeating units called sarcomeres, the contractile units responsible for muscle contraction. Mechanical tension during resistance exercise causes the sarcomeres to lengthen as they generate force against the resistance. This lengthening of sarcomeres contributes to the structural adaptation of muscle fibers, promoting muscle growth over time. 2. Cellular deformation. As mechanical tension is applied to muscle fibers, the cellular structures, including the cell membrane, sarcolemma, and the intracellular organelles, undergo deformation. This deformation triggers a cascade of intracellular signaling events, leading to the activation of various pathways involved in muscle growth and adaptation. B. Molecular signaling pathways. 1. Satellite cell activation. Mechanical tension activates satellite cells, which are quiescent precursor cells located on the periphery of muscle fibers. Upon activation, satellite cells proliferate and differentiate into myoblasts, which fuse with existing muscle fibers or form new muscle fibers, thereby contributing to muscle repair and growth. 2. Growth factor release. Mechanical tension stimulates the release of growth factors such as insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, and mechanogrowth factor, MGF, from both muscle fibers and surrounding connective tissue. These growth factors play key roles in promoting muscle hypertrophy by activating intracellular signaling pathways involved in protein synthesis and cellular growth. 3. Mechanotransduction pathways. Mechanotransduction refers to the process by which mechanical signals are converted into biochemical signals within the muscle cells. This process involves the activation of mechanosensitive proteins such as integrins, focal adhesion kinases, FAKs, and stretch-activated ion channels. These proteins transmit mechanical signals to the cell interior, where they initiate signaling cascades that regulate gene expression, protein synthesis, and cellular adaptation. C. Adaptations over time. 1. Hypertrophy. Chronic exposure to mechanical tension through resistance training leads to muscle hypertrophy, the enlargement of individual muscle fibers. This hypertrophic response is characterized by an increase in the cross-sectional area of muscle fibers, resulting in greater strength and muscle mass. 2. Structural remodeling. Mechanical tension induces structural remodeling of muscle tissue, including the formation of new myofibrils, increased protein synthesis, and enhanced sarcomere organization. These structural adaptations improve the force-generating capacity and contractile function of the muscle, contributing to greater performance and resilience. In summary, mechanical tension serves as a potent stimulus for muscle growth and adaptation, eliciting a cascade of biomechanical and molecular responses within the muscle cells. By understanding the intricate mechanisms of mechanical tension and optimizing training strategies to maximize tension development, individuals can effectively promote muscle hypertrophy and achieve their strength and fitness goals. If you have watched till here, then do consider watching the previous 2 parts and an extension video to the second part by clicking the links provided in the description box. Please share it with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.